International Business Master's Program is one of our master's programs at the Bologna +2 level, and it is one of our international flagship programs. It gathers students from all the continents and, of course, local students.
You can make a lot of friends from different backgrounds, which is very good for you in future.
We're cooperating with people from all around the world, not only Europe. And every lecture is another topic, another great discussion with the teacher.
It's like every day we just running around the classroom and cafe and library to discuss the practical cases.
We do many projects, team projects. It's an international, multinational environment, so we can learn a lot from different students from different cultures.
Opening and focusing all the topics which global business world nowadays needs to open, from environment to finance to marketing to trade and commerce and all other areas.
I was surprised by one lecture can be lectured actually by several professors.
And more teachers from abroad, and that was really surprising, but of course in a good way.
We work a lot with the companies, we do projects with the companies, we invite international professors, and of course what we try to teach each other is to respect that we live in different multicultural world, but we do understand the diversity of it.
And the most vivid experience will be the cooperation with a company, Danfostrata, when there was a competition held during one of our classes.
I remember the huge engagement from Professor Mateusz Rašković to involve his students into the development of the future business model for Danfostrata.
And actually, me and my group, we won the competition, so that is just the best experience I will ever have.
The most important thing that will stay with me forever are the friends and contacts that I have made here from all around the world.
Even now we're still communicating with each other on Facebook and other social networks.
To anyone who is thinking about enrolling in this program, I would just say shortly, join us, and you will see there are many benefits of working in a multinational environment.
Just go to Ljubljana, you will have a great time, a lot of productive and creative work, and of course a lot of fun.
Just come here. Don't hesitate.
So if you are a student who would like to have a good international career, understand the global business world nowadays, this is the program for you. So welcome.